Have you ever been in a leadership team meeting where the conversation triggers defensive reactions instead of collaboration? Or where team members are more interested in being right rather than discovering what is right? Unfortunately, this is quite common because we all have one of these. And here's the thing. The brain's amygdala, the part that detects threats, kicks in when it senses criticism or ambiguity or unmet expectations. Then it triggers fight or flight and freeze responses that make us less intelligent and sabotages effective communication and destroys collaboration. When your senior team isn't aligned, stress and defensiveness take over. And that's when silos, confusion and frustration start to build up. And that's costing your business more than you may realize. If you're ready to reduce defensiveness, improve psychological safety, and unlock the full potential of your leadership team, join me and Ali Gibbons for our upcoming workshop, The Missing Piece in Your Leadership Team's Success, and how to find it. It's on Tuesday the 22nd of April at 12:30 p.m. In just 50 minutes, you'll get practical tools that you can apply immediately to diagnose what's missing so you can boost alignment, focus, collaboration, and performance. Click on the link to register. We look forward to seeing you there.